Hey everybody, and welcome to another Howtech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to use the translation features in Word. So I have the classic pangram here a few times. We're going to select all of it, go to the Review tab, and hit the Translate drop down button, and we're going to translate the selection. Or you could translate the document if you want to do that. So it's going from English, which it is detected automatically, and we can change that to any one of these options over here. So if we do Korean, it'll have that. We can insert it as well, which will just replace it, whatever we had selected. If I go down here, I can insert it there just like that. I also have the option for any number of these. We can insert that if we wanted to, and so on and so forth. We also have the option to translate the whole document. Let's say if I didn't have any English on here, translate the whole document, and from auto detect to English, hit translate, and it will translate it for us right there. And that's what we'll get. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.